So how to find your dead time in a day so that you can achieve more in same 24 hours. So lot of people complain, I do not have that much time, so I can do something better in my life. When someone says that guy is doing far better than you, maybe he have more time, but I do not have. But unknowingly, we will be wasting a lot of time. So let us find some techniques which can help you to find your dead time so you can utilize them to the fullest. The very important technique which can be used for this purpose is when you wake up early in morning, start writing what you are doing. Whenever you switch from one task to another task, keep writing what you have done. And by doing so, by the end of the day, before sleeping, when you review your daily chart, you will find a lot of areas where you have done something which was not that important or which was not at all required to do. A lot of time which you had wasted in entertainment purpose. Now, find out the items which you can easily obsolete from that daily chart list and add some high performance items which if you start doing, you will become a better person daily wise. Keep doing same thing daily basis. Prepare a daily chart. Visualize end of the day where you have wasted the time. Remove those things with the more productive things. And after 2 to 3 weeks of time, you will have very less time which you will be wasting. And most of your wasted and dead time will be going in the productive activities. And you will feel the difference. The another hack which I want to give to people who feel that have less time to do something, to achieve something, is start getting up early. The reason mornings are very calm, you can achieve more in morning than in late nights. Have you seen anyone who watches movie in morning? Very rarely. Have you seen anyone go for drink in morning? Not at all. Sleep late night. Usually we waste a lot of time. In the mornings, our mindset will be like that most of the time you want to use in productive activities. So if you start getting up early, you will be utilizing your time which you was wasting because you was staying late night, and you will be more active in morning, more concentrated, more focused, and you can achieve more. So this is Deepak Chaurasia. If you like my content, do subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon so you do not miss any videos from my end. Thanks guys, bye bye.